Nguyen, this video is for you, man. This is a serious video. So me, David Stanley, and Edward Fay have been talking, and we want you to seek help. You're mentally ill, man. I don't know how else to say it. You show it in all your videos, and we want to pay for it. So if you'll just, be a man, accept the fact that you have issues. Between me, Edward, and David Stanley, we want to pay to have this done. So I just want you to check out the next two clips from David Stanley and Edward. Please let us help you.
Andre, this is us reaching out to you between me, Edward, and David. We've been talking, and we want to help your mental well health and being. It's an intervention call. The antics of, being bipolar and mental well health being, coming from the service, me and Edward know from serving others that it can be pretty stressful sometimes. And being a CEO yourself and not having the time, and especially losing customers to, David's company, it's got to be leaving you kind of hard for, being able to rub at least 2 quarters together. So we want to put a fund together and help you out because we have the finances to do it and send you off to get you some help. Hopefully it will help cure, the compulsive lying, the bipolar mentality, the mental health overall. I can't imagine. It's got to be hard not to come home and get the help that you need. So we can put funds together to get you help internationally. And that way, hopefully that will overflow into your customer base that will eventually get rebuilt again. So I'm offering that to you from all 3 of us. Take care.
Andre, consider this video as an intervention. Okay, me, Stanley, and Payne have been talking, and we would like to pay for your mental health treatment. Clearly you make videos saying that you don't talk shit about people, and then you post my face saying it looks like a butthole, or whatever. You're bipolar. We want to help you. Please get help. We'll pay for it. We want you to do well.